Hello! I want to make a Victorian morning dress. So this very classical black dress. And for that I would like to have a... So I'm making this Victorian era morning dress, and usually if you Google about those, they do tend to have this kind of veil in the most dramatic photos, which is over their head. And because I think they are pretty neat, I would like to make one. But I want to do something different than do it by hand and making the original tulle. I have decided that I will 3D print onto the fabric. I made this design of this kind of lilies and made an edge like trimming. So this is what my video is gonna be about. Now you might say that, but that's not historically accurate. It is almost correct. Nowadays 3D printing is actually based on a patent from 1980s. But the idea of making 3D objects with machine is of course much more older thing untried before, like Franz Wilhelm did in 1860 by inventing photosculpting and patenting it. And it makes this kind of photo of 3D printing already be a Victorian era invention. So first, you need to have some kind of idea what would you like to design. What kind of pattern or some ornamental shape you would like to have in your wall. And after that, you can 3D model it. There is free softwares like Tinkercad, which are pretty easy to learn and do, and like basically for children and beginners. So I think for first creation that would be the best way to learn. I'm not here using Tinkercad because I had this professional software called Rhinoceros, because I'm doing this 3D modeling and all kind of media stuff and design as my job. But, however, you can first draw into paper your idea and then bring it to your design software. And that's it. I hope I will have time and energy to make a next video, but I will at least write into the blog, and I hope you enjoyed.